If you're seeking a reliable and straightforward method to obtain a Visa or MasterCard without the need for a traditional bank account, platforms like Tivao offer a seamless solution. Tivao provides both physical and virtual cards, each designed to facilitate secure and efficient transactions. Available in over 200 countries, Tivao ensures accessible and comprehensive financial solutions for users worldwide. Getting started is simple. Click the link in the description and register an account using your email address and password. Once registered, download the Tivao app from the Play Store or App Store on your mobile device and log in to begin the process. The first step you'll encounter is choosing between a physical card and a virtual card. Before applying for a physical card, there are a few steps you need to complete. Start with identity verification by specifying whether you are a US resident and selecting your country in which you are living right now. Enter your first name, last name, and date of birth, then proceed to the next step. You'll need to select your document type for verification. Don't worry, Tivao partners with Jumio, a trusted identity verification service also used by Revolut. For example, you may choose an ID card for verification. Select clear images of the front and back of your ID, input the document number and include the expiration date if applicable. Then provide your residential address and click Submit at the bottom of the page. Document verification typically takes 2 to 3 minutes. Once complete, you will go through 2 more verification steps, which will only take a few more minutes. Now, before proceeding, you'll need to deposit funds to activate your card. Don't worry, the process is simple. Tivao allows you to deposit funds into a variety of ways. For now, USDT is available. Simply tap on Deposit and choose USDT. Select a network. I will pick BNB Smart Chain. Then copy the wallet address. Now open any third-party crypto exchange platform such as Binance. You can also use Bybit, Coinbase, or any other popular crypto platform. Once you are in, tap on Withdraw. From there, select USDT, paste the copied wallet address, then choose BNB Smart Chain as the network. Enter the amount you want to deposit, confirm the details, and complete the withdrawal. Your funds will soon be available in your Tivao account. Once everything is set, click on Apply Cards in the top right corner and select Physical Card. You'll find 2 card options, the Platinum Card and the Supreme Card. Both cards are priced at $100, but Platinum Card is in US dollars and Supreme Card is in Euro. Both cards offer great features, so compare them to choose the one that suits your needs. I recommend the Platinum Card as it offers greater flexibility and has almost no limit. Once you've selected the card, there will be 2 final verification steps, so make sure to follow the on-screen instructions. After completing this, you'll be prompted to set up a payment code. This code is important, as it will be used to access your card details later on. Once done, enter your phone number and payment code, along with postal address. After completing these verifications, you can apply for your physical card. You need to wait for the card arrival. It may take some days to a week. And once you received your card on your home address, you just need to tap on Add Your Card on the top right corner. Then you need to enter the card details along with the activation code and phone number. Then follow the on-screen instructions, and it will appear on your card page. You can now use it for purchases, free trials, and any other transactions. Just remember to top up your card as needed for continued use. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Visa or MasterCard with Tivao.